Hello, bonjour. You must be wondering what am I doing today. I had friends over and then when I got, what are you doing? You have just a little fridge here by your food prep and you have so much food that you get out of there to prepare meals, and that's why. So it's very easy to have a little fridge like this, as you can see. And then here at the bottom I keep my greens, because at the top in that little fridge they will freeze. So I found those containers that fits right in, and I can keep all my greens in there, and the fennel. And I keep also here in the middle, I have some cauliflower, radicchio, bok choy, carrots, and then I have the fruits, and then some containers, and at the top here I have celery. Well, you see what I mean. You can put whatever vegetables you like, but it's really easy to put quite a bit of food into that little fridge. And here I want to show you what I was telling you about keeping the vegetable crisp. So I take it's a dish rag, and I run it under water. I wring it just so that it doesn't drip. And then I put it over my vegetables like a little blanket, and it keeps them crisp and fresh for a longer time. There we go.